Today on PropTalk TV, we speak with Dimka of Chesapeake Yacht Center about the gorgeous Keizer 42.
When you first walk up to the Keizer, the first thing that you're going to notice and appreciate is just the look. It is a striking boat. It is very different than most of the things you'll see on the Chesapeake. They're just going to see a really sexy boat that they're going to want to have. The Keizer has a really nice hull design. It is an amazingly riding boat, sharp entry point. It's a very deep V entry point, and the bow is significantly flared. So in rougher weather, you cut through the waves really well. It's still very dry. And at 30 knots, you're doing less than 30 gallons an hour. The power on our Keizer that we have here are a pair of Volvo D6 diesels, 400 horsepower apiece, with Volvo outdrives on the back of the boat. It's a very close time to plane. You're cruising at 30 to 35 knots. You're topping out at 40 knots. You have very little bow rise from the hull design. You have tremendously good fuel economy, way less than 30 gallons an hour at over 30 knots. You're going to step onto the swim platform in the back. And the first thing that you'll notice when you step up there is the massive cockpit sun pad. It is a huge cockpit sun pad where the backrests can be adjustable, they can be moved around. Pad panels actually come up and you have two massive storage areas. As you start moving forward, you'll notice the galley on the starboard side where you have actually two refrigerators, full cooktop, electric grill, sink, and extra storage for silverware, plateware, things like that. Like I said, with this being a day boat, the galley is up. All of your entertaining is done on that main level in the open air in the sun. You also have the full L-shaped couch that is forward of the sun pad, giving you additional seating. It's a little more protected with the windshield. And then moving forward of that, you of course have the helm station on the starboard side, which is a very nice helm station, has a great leaning post. In the bow, really big L-shaped seating area. And then as you go further back, kind of underneath the stairwell, which has a set of twin beds that can be put together for a full size. And then of course over on the port side, you have your fully separate bathroom with your fully separate shower stall. For somebody who'd be potentially interested in a Keizer, or somebody who would find that boat to be the right boat for them, they would be doing predominantly day boating, that they want to have that extra access for overnight or more longer distance cruising. The Keizer customer is going to be somebody who has a larger yacht and does long distance cruising with that larger yacht and wants something smaller that's a little bit easier to use as a day boat, or maybe somebody who is stepping up into the yacht category from a center console or small bow rider. What customers should expect when coming to Chesapeake Yacht Center is a very different experience than you will receive at a lot of different dealerships. We are not a car dealership selling cars that float on the water. Having a very white glove delivery experience and having the best customer service team backing up our yachts, because we don't lose customers to other dealers.
Don't miss another PropTalk video. Subscribe to our channel today.